Recording, managing, and assessment of income are crucial for any business success. The income module in schoolBic enables you to streamline and have a proper understanding of every income happening in your institution. In this tutorial video, I will demonstrate the setup process, how to record an income report generating, and many more. The first step in setting up the income module is categorizing your income in your school. From the Special Task menu, navigate to the Categories Manager function. From the first menu, you can see the categorizing system for the income module, and from here you can see all the income categories you have created in the system. You can delete or edit an income by clicking on the bin or pencil icon respectively. To add a new income category, click on the Add New Category button and enter the income title. You can write a description for the income category and click the Add New Category button to create an income category. You should create as many categories as you have in your institution, and remember to create another category in case none of the categories created matches the income to be recorded, so it can be recorded on the other category. From the income module in your school management system, your school accountant will be able to record all of the income happening under categories you have created in the category manager. From here, school accountant will be able to see all the income and the total income amount. Based on the default setting of the system, it's only the super admin that will be able to delete or edit a recorded income from the system to prevent any fraudulent activities by your school accountant. However, this permission can be adjusted. You can configure the system to allow your school accountant to edit and delete income recorded. To add an income, click the Add Income button. Enter the title, income amount, the date the income was made. Categorize the income under a category. You can write a note. You can select the No Payer selected, or to be more specific, you can add a payer and select the payer as the source of the income. To add a payer into the system, from the Special Task menu, click the Pay and Payer function. From here you will see all the pay and payer you have created in the system. To add a pay or payer, click the Add Pay or Payer button and fill out the details of the payer like name, address, phone number, and etc. Select if it's a pay or payer. Then click the Add Pay Payer button and go back to the income recording system and select the person or organization as the payer. You can create a payer first before recording the income to eliminate any back and forth. There is an option to upload a file. Then click the Add Income button to complete the recording. Use the export feature to export income details via XLSX, XLS, HTML, CSV, or PDF file. You can export specific detail or everything. There is an advanced searching system to enable you quickly search or filter searching based on date range, name, category, payer, and amount. You should click the Advanced Search button to proceed with the searching. Using the reports system in schoolBic, admins can quickly generate income reports based on the date range, and the generated report can be viewed below. To export reports out of the system for offline assessment, use the Export function on the income module system.